The Level 3 Certificate in Understanding Mental Health Care is a professionally recognised, Ofqual regulated qualification that aims to broaden your knowledge in mental health to enable you to support people in your life. Whether you need to support an individual with mental health problems, or if you're an employer, employee, team leader or manager looking to better understand the people you work alongside. The qualification develops learners' knowledge of the legal, policy and service framework in mental health, as well as interventions that are available for those who suffer with poor mental well-being. By taking this course, you are more equipped to support those around you, as we will learn to recognise early warning signs that someone may be struggling with their mental health. You can learn from the comfort of your own home at your own pace within the 1-year course timescale. You will have full tutor support throughout and unlimited access to your own professional learning platform, and this makes learning flexible and convenient. We have trained thousands of satisfied students, and our experienced staff will be there every step of the way to help you reach your Ofqual regulated qualification. Train with an award-winning school. Choose the Level 3 Certificate in Understanding Mental Health Care today, and we look forward to working with you to gain your new professionally recognised qualification.